Welcome to Pop Life! Sa gitna ng Araneta City, makikita mo ang isa sa pinaka-ambisyosong dining destination sa Pilipinas. Ito ang World Kitchens, isang restaurant kung saan pinagsama-sama ang iba't ibang flavors mula sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. All in one roof. And it's me, Nina, at dito nga lang yan sa GGSS. Gala-gala, sarap-sarap.
Hello everyone, we are here now at World Kitchens. This is at level 4 of Gateway Mall 2. It's the newest addition in Araneta City and we just opened last February. And this is perfect for your any celebrations to dine here at World Kitchens.
This place is actually a giant full-service restaurant with 15 show kitchens, each highlighting cuisines from around the world. May 3 dedicated sa Japanese food, meron din Hong Kong, Italian, Filipino, Spanish, at Indian cuisine. Soon, they will be opening their American kitchen. Pero ang pinaka-unique dito, it's not your usual food hall. Every table is connected to a digital system. Isa-scan mo lang yung QR code, then once you scan, diretso ka na makakapag-order. From appetizers to desserts, everything is powered by technology, making the dining experience seamless. And for seniors and PWD, huwag ka mag-alala kasi tutulungan ka nila kung paano mag-order ng food.
I'm Marjorie Gob, Vice President Marketing of Araneta City and also handling the marketing of World Kitchens. We are inviting everyone to visit World Kitchens here at level 4 of Gateway Mall 2. This is open every day. So Monday to Thursday, we open at 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. And then there's a break time and then we resume at 5:30 to 10 p.m. For reservations, you can visit worldkitchens.com.ph. Visit their Facebook page, World Kitchens.
World Kitchens is not just about the food. Dinesign ito para maging buong experience. May private rooms para sa intimate gatherings, artisan bar para sa cocktails, at may stage pa for live entertainment. Sa World Kitchens, makikita kung gaano kayaman at ka-diverse ang culinary traditions ng iba't ibang bansa. Isang reminder na kahit iba't iba ang kultura natin, lahat tayo pwede magsama-sama sa iisang table. Pagpasok mo pa lang, mapapansin mo agad yung modern at classy vibe ng World Kitchens. Ang ganda ng ambience, parang nagta-travel ka sa iba't ibang bansa. At sa food naman, sobrang diverse, from Asian favorites hanggang Western dishes, lahat present. At lahat, Instagram-worthy ang presentation. Perfect siya for family, barkada, or kahit date night. Wow! World Kitchen is bringing the flavors of the world together at one table. See you here, mga ka-Pop Life!